Hey.
Yo.
Oh my god, it looks amazing. You can see like the rays of the sunlight. Oh, hello. This is pretty rad. Oh man. This is cool. I'm like trying to like stay afloat because it's kind of sharp.